See the Sum and Substance Hosta, that circle of leaves? So this right here is the Sum and Substance Hosta. It is about 4 years old, 5, I think actually 7 years old. Its leaves are huge compared to my hand. You can try to just pull them off. And I'm doing this because I don't want snails to start eating the leaves, because then they just spread. You know how snails are. And that leaves us with the flower stalks. So I'm just gonna cut down here. See if I can pull, actually. Yep, some of them do come up quite easily. You can do this in autumn or you can do this in spring. Just cut all the way down. If it's in a spot where you won't be walking, it's no problem. Just move the autumn leaves. Last one. Oh, there's a leaf. If you look closely, you can see kind of the crown of the plant, or where the leaves were growing from. This is it right here. Even this will dry up and die back, and then next year completely new leaves will come out, and they'll be like little horns or fingers coming up from the earth. And then make sure to gather up these leaves and put them in your compost bin so that you can protect your plants from an infestation of snails. Look how huge these leaves are. So awesome. They actually are a really beautiful color. And that's how you prep your Sum and Substance Hosta for the winter. It's ready for spring. If you did wait for spring, that would be fine too. It's just that you would have to deal with going around the fingers, which are pretty sturdy and strong and easy to see, so it might not be a problem. But if you don't want to do it in the wet spring, then doing it in the fall is a perfect alternative. And if you don't do it in the fall or in the spring, it's fine. The leaves just wither and die. You'll still have the stems sticking there. Eventually they'll fall and disappear, but it takes time. This way you just have a clean flower bed and you don't have to deal with it at another time. And there we go. Now that the hosta's gone, it's nice and clean.